we want to show you candy from the USA. This time we got Twizzlers candy straws. This is the Twizzlers Rainbow edition, which comes with 6 different flavors. This pack is easy to open and resealable. You can use these candy straws to drink your favorite drink or cocktail with it. Or just use them to pretend that you have a mustache. Here are the nutrition facts and some manufacturer's information. Okay, let us open the pack. Here we are, having 6 different colored and artificially flavored candy straws. There is blue, raspberry, strawberry, lemonade, orange, watermelon, and great flavor. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.